Morning, everyone. Gosh, I look horrible. It is 1 in the morning. I'm trying to kind of keep my voice down. I think my parents are still awake. I'm having one of those nights where whenever I lay down in bed, I'm feeling sick to my stomach. I feel like there's like a lot of pressure in my head, and when I lay down, it just makes it so much worse. I can't get my heart rate to like slow down. Yeah, I'm not having the best night right now. Underneath my eyes are black. I'm so sleep deprived. I've been getting to sleep 12, 1, 2 in the morning the past week, and I just cannot get, I don't know why. This has just been one of those weeks where I just cannot sleep. But Blizzard is awake, so I thought we might play with him a little bit. Yeah, sorry I look awful, but it's just been one of those weeks. So let's go. Blizzard literally just went in his house. Still like awake and stuff, but he just went in his house. Baby, I wanted to play with you. I think we're gonna give him some veggies because he's pretty much out of regular food, so I think I'm gonna get him some vegetables. Blizzard's out again. Blizzard will be getting his Christmas theme very soon. I was debating just like not giving him a Christmas theme at all because it's so late. My PetSmarts have not had Christmas bedding until like yesterday. So it was really hard to like get him a Christmas theme. He's so cute. So it is the next morning, and but today we are actually going to be decorating the pet room because I don't know, it just needs to be decorated. I got some wrapping paper, that little Mickeys and Minnies all over it. It's so cute. I'm gonna put this on the backs of the cages. This or
what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you being silly? Why?
But yeah, that's the wrapping paper we use. It's the other option. I'll probably just do a mix.
What?
What? Also have the gel clings I talked about from day one. I have 3 different kinds, and I'll put them on the cages. And then I got little baby stockings from Dollar Tree. I got 6 of them. But yeah. So I also want to clean up the pet room, and I want to organize the closet in the pet room because that is a disaster. This room is so much brighter, and I can see my little mess I made even clearer now. Yay! So this is the before of the pet room closet. Yeah, it's bad. So we're gonna tackle it all today, right now. Yay! Pray for me, please. Pray for me. I am done. I feel like there was the biggest weight off of my shoulders to finally have this project done that has been on my list for a very long time. But let me just show you what we're working with. All of this is stuff that's going to our storage unit. This is trash. And here is the closet after it's done. Mostly this floor area right here where it was flooding out of, our closet. I think I'm gonna do this little Santa gel clings for her cage. So I just finished putting the gel clings on Severus's cage, and I think it's so cute. It says hello snow, but where I live, it's more like goodbye, complete utter misery to the point where you want to die every time you go outside. And when you're inside, you have to pay a lot for air conditioning bills. But you're not necessarily saying hello to snow because it hasn't snowed here in 25 years. So that's more accurate where I live. So last but not least, we have Daisy. Daisy actually has her Thanksgiving/fall setup going on still, so we gotta get rid of that before we put the new stuff on. So I'm going to end the vlog now because I want to make sure I get to sleep before 4 a.m. today. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to the channels that will be linked in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a Christmas thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!